It's just a horrific case that still sounds unbelievable, but it's only true. Murkier details emerge regarding the brutal murder of Shraddha by Aftab, a live-in partner, because what we are now being told by our sources with the police and agencies, to avoid suspicion, Aftab stayed active on Shraddha's social media after allegedly killing her. This Aftab Poonawalla used to impersonate her on the application and chat with her friends until the next few weeks, that is about 9th of June. We are talking about the month of May when she goes missing. But her friends don't seem to realize, because remember that her applications may have been open or he was aware of the password. But he continued to interact and look like that she's still active. This, remember, many experts are wondering what kind of a deranged mind there was of this killer. It was not just about a fit of rage, but it was what followed after, the sequence of events, the manner in which it was carried out, and imagine the grief that the girl's family must be facing right now to know what happened to their daughter and who was in a relationship with this man. So we have big details coming in that to avoid suspicion, this is after brutally murdering her, chopping off the pieces, trying to put it and spread it across forests in Delhi, in Mehroli area and in Chhatarpur area, where there is this wide forest region where he tried to dispose of these body parts. To avoid suspicion, Aftab continued to stay active on Shraddha's social media, and that he was interacting and chatting with her friends until 9th of June. And that is why perhaps many thought that she is all right and that nothing has happened wrong. Of course, now the investigating agencies must have tracked down digital equipments, whether it's mobile phones, laptop, and likely it is through that they would have been able to grasp that there were still interactions going on. A horrific story, as we heard from some of the friends of Shreya and Shraddha as well, and who have been saying that this was not the first time. There were earlier instances as well when he was aggressive and the friends had to rescue her and also warn him earlier. India Today, Shreya Chatterjee getting us all the latest coming in from the agencies and what the Delhi police is saying. Now, Shreya, it's very important because this is not just about the Delhi police, as much also about the Maharashtra police being involved in this. What are you picking up precisely about what the officials are saying? Why this strategy of staying active on social media? How has that been tracked down?
Well, first and foremost, Pooja, this was a very, a well thought out plan on the part of Aftab Poonawalla. He was actually trying to ensure that somewhere down the line he doesn't get caught. So at least till June 9th is what we're getting the timeline. He stayed active, used the social media of Shraddha. He also paid all the credit card bills so that these companies do not reach out to Shraddha's home in Mumbai. Now, what we also do know that right now the police is obviously trying to gather as much as technical evidence is concerned. It would be a little difficult to get the CCTV footage given the fact that a 6-month time period has already gone ever since that actually incident took place. Remember, when you're talking about the murder and cleaning the entire scene, it took place in the month of May. Right now we are in November. So it would be a little difficult on other aspects, but definitely there are other technical aspects of using social media. There will be IP addresses traced down. There will obviously, the police is right now looking for the objects that were used to chop off Shraddha's body parts that was chopped in a course of 2 days by Aftab. What is also important to remember that he was very firm during the course of investigation. It was only when he saw his father that he broke down. So it would be difficult for the police to make a watertight case right now, given that there has been a time lapse since the month of May. But obviously they are at their toes, trying to gather as much as technical evidence concerned to make a watertight case against Aftab Poonawalla for this horrific incident, because there needs to be a textbook example said that we do not see many more Shraddhas in the near future at all.
And hats off to the investigating agencies and the sources to manage to a lead like that, to be able to track him down, because he clearly thought that he's got away, and what a chilling murder. But Shreya Chatterjee has been speaking to police officials, trying to get us as many voices as possible. Shreya, please keep tracking this case, and we want to ensure that the family gets justice in this case.